Hi guys, welcome back. Right now what we're going to be doing is trying to replace the motherboard on this Samsung automatic washing machine. So as you can see here, this is the actual washing machine. Let me just adjust it so you can view the motherboard replacement better. Okay, so actually I had Samsung techs come over and have them look at it just to make sure that I'd be replacing the right part, because they charged 350 bucks, 350 pesos just to check it. So they determined that the controller board or the motherboard had to be replaced on this thing. So when they quoted me, the board itself, or for the part itself, it's actually 3,000 pesos. And then the labor for installation would be somewhere around 1,500 pesos to 2,000, totaling to somewhere around 5,000 pesos. Now, we bought this washing machine for 5,000 pesos brand new. And the support center for Samsung only gives around 3 months warranty. So paying 5,000 pesos to have the washing machine repaired with 3 months warranty, it'd be better to just get a brand new washing machine or find a cheaper alternative, as to what we'll be doing today. So, if you've seen the unboxing, we got the replacement board right here. We bought it off Shopee. Okay, so opening this panel up, basically it's just a couple of screws. And it's fairly easy, and one can do it. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So, you have two screws here. So just remove them. Okay, and now you have access to your panel board. So there are locks here, so you pull it going towards that direction. So here is your actual motherboard. There are like 4 screws on it. So just remove those. And here's our motherboard. Okay, comparing it to the new one, it just arrived. Now for the model of the board, you can see here it's somewhere here. Let me just remove this first. So let's try wiring it in first, and hopefully this thing works. And hopefully this thing's just plug and play. Okay, so we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wires to connect. Okay, now to determine your motherboard model or controller board model, you can see here, it's 00278N. So this guy sent me a 0027A, so I am not sure if this will work, but let's try anyways. The guy said it was compatible, so we'll take his word for it. Connect this. White goes there. This one goes there. This one goes there. This one goes here. And there we have it. Okay, make sure everything's connected properly. It's not be fit in place, so let's put it back on this thing. Screw it back on. Okay, let me just get this thing plugged in first. Forgot to plug it in, but we'll be testing it soon. There we go. Well, before we screw that back in again, let's test it first. Okay, plugged in, water on. Let's power it up. And actually I'm not very good at using this thing, so let's see. mid, washer, it's dry, and start. Oh, it's alive! Okay, I forgot to put detergent in there, so let's get some in there. There we go. So, woohoo! Let's just see if it'll start spinning and washing and everything else. But the original problem with our washing machine was that after we set it up, after you power it on, it actually wouldn't start and do anything. So that's why it looked like a board issue. So now it's actually filling up with water, so that's a good sign. That means it's actually working. So let's close the lid. And that's that. If you like my video, click on subscribe and click on the like button. And thanks for watching.